Good morning, guys. Up and at it, getting ready, packing the cooler this morning. So I'm going to show you what we've got going on, and let's see what Dexter's up to. Good morning, Dexter. What are you doing today? You trying to play with the squeaky? Get your squeaky. Good boy. Let me see. Squeaky. Uh-oh, what's that? The ring's going off. So got in the cooler this morning some ice packs. Then we got some coconut water. Really like this coconut water. It's all natural. I always wondered why it was pink, but found out coconut water is pink when it hits oxygen. And if they don't add a preservative to it, this is the color it is. So it's the most natural. So we got water. And let me zoom out a little bit. And then today we've got some blueberries, frozen water, some string cheese organic valley, and got a couple of eggs. Didn't have time to boil some O-Snap Sassy Bites, and a little snack pack. So eating light today. If I get extra hungry, just have to order something. All right, stay tuned. Couple of other things for this hot day. We've got a neck fan, the Frog Tog chili pad, and some Redmond's real salt, coarse salt that we can have for electrolytes. It's gonna be a hot day, but a good day. Are you stretching? Say good morning. Say, I'm gonna play with Dad. Are you gonna go outside and go number 1 and go number 2 and have treats while Mom's gone at work? I'm gonna go to work and you watch the cats. I love you. You're a good boy. Well, howdy from Texas, y'all. I'm on my way to a job. I'm going to meet Jessica at the place you might have seen before with the Texas-sized horses. We're going to see some same horses and a few different ones. So today should be very interesting. I love seeing new horses and helping them get better. I brought my fan, and I'm ready to try to be cool because it is so hot today. I think they said it's going to be 100 degrees, but then we'll get a cold front coming in a couple days and it'll be 91 degrees. So I guess that does help some to have that cold front, if you want to call it that. People up north and in Canada and New Zealand, and y'all are probably laughing. In Texas, it gets pretty hot and it can get pretty cold, but there's no in between. We like to say that it's quite persnickety. We say stay 15 minutes if you don't like the weather and it'll change. But today it's going to be hot. I'm at a stoplight, so I'm going to look at you guys. I've been doing a lot of great things and I have some great news. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. Let me put my glasses on so I can see. Tim and I found out 3 days ago, FEMA made an offer on our flood house. We are so excited. So we are moving along and getting rid of this after 7 years of being flooded. So excited. And I just got in the truck and realized I forgot to put on my seatbelt. So I'm putting on my seatbelt now. And I'm back. I put on my seatbelt. Well, at least there's one good thing. You always move too fast, you forget to put on the seatbelt, which can save your life. So YouTube is helping me be safer, which is great. I'm so excited that y'all are watching, and I'm so excited y'all are here. All right, I'm here. Time to adjust some horses. Feel like deja vu. Did this last time I was here. Have to find some cool things to record today. Show you guys more of the place. It's a huge acreage and big facility.
No, he's not motivating you anymore, please. He's just holding it.
No, he is.
So great his eyes.
Oh, that's my bra.
He's popping up.
I heard it.
So I ended up not doing a lot of horses at the place after all because a lot of people had back to school things and a lot of horses had acupuncture the day before, and I didn't want to overstimulate them by doing 2 services back to back. The 2 horses we adjusted, it was
at the next stop sign, turn right.
To film and to be in the heat, and I just didn't get to do it. But I'm going to find a way to do something interesting today. I'm going to go try a new restaurant that I haven't tried before, and I'm going to take you to see Bodie, and I'm going to do an adjustment on Bodie and let you see how she stands for me. It should be interesting. Go check out a new restaurant that's owned by a chiropractor. So we'll take a look and see if it's any good. Very pretty drive, lots of trees. Hey guys, Dr. Baker here. I'm with the owner of Primo Hoagies, Dr. Richard Silver, and he is a chiropractor who I met, is an amazing chiropractor, but he also he owns Primo Hoagies.
Come on in and say hello to us. Anything you like, we have all culinary meat, cheese, and the bread. Every 2 hours we bake the bread. Everything's fresh from Philadelphia. All the ingredients are culinary top notch. Come in and see us. Love to see you.
Awesome, thank you. I look forward to trying it.
Yeah,
I look forward to trying it.
Absolutely, Doc. We're on Pine Market Avenue in Wood Forest. It's 810 Pine Market Avenue. It's called Primo Hoagies. Come on in and see us. You'll love it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for your
Doc.
time.
Thank
Good
you.
to see you.
Great seeing you too.
Yeah. All right, well, I look
Yes.
forward to trying one of these amazing hoagies. I'll let you guys know how it is. Y'all come on down and check them out. Here's the menu behind me. They have a lot of different foods, and they're, like you said, they're all fresh. So I don't know what to pick. I think I'm gonna get some turkey and cheese bread. All right, leaving Primo Hoagies. Gonna try them out, see how it is. Such a nice little area in downtown Fish Creek neighborhood, Magnolia, Montgomery. So cool. All right, headed to Bodie now. I'm gonna check Bodie's back fetlocks because she likes to buck at her friend Zoe. So we're gonna see if those are out of place. She doesn't have a halter on, and I'm only doing this because she's my horse.
She looks back at you.
All right, we'll start with an easy one. Oh, you're gonna be like that on the video, eh? All right, you do that while I do your foot.
Well, could just be the grass too. It's so tall.
Okay, here's the question of the day. Is the horse's tail long, or is the grass needing to be mowed? All right, give me this foot. Be nice. Out of place.
Mm-hmm.
All right, one down, one to go. Out of place. As usual, both fetlocks. Buck and Bodie. If she lands these feet on something, those fetlocks will come out of place. So when I come over here to see her, we just check her fetlocks, make sure they're in place because we don't want it to cause her any pain.
Yeah, and the farrier comes next week, so.
Oh, see, I'll have to check it. All right, stand up on it. Stand up on it. How's that? Whoa. All right. Now, after we do that, we're gonna check the motion up. Whoa. That's sweet for Mom. All right, let me see. All right, turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. All right, now one more. One more.
Come on, up. Zoom in the foot.
Bodie. Ooh. 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 I'm telling her easy, easy. Stretch. Hold up. Got it. Right shoulder was out of place right here. All right. Check in the neck. Go into extension. She's had this done quite a few times, so she knows what we're doing. And it's a little more informal, but she knows how to do all the things because I've done it. And she stands here. All right. Checking her TMJ. Checking her hyoid. Your breath smells like fresh cut grass. Now Bodie usually yawns around 7 times. That's actually how I learned that horses yawn 7 times, because she would always do that. Like I said, yawning means they're relaxed and they feel good and they activated their vagus nerve, their vagus nerve. Not the Las Vegas one, but the calming one called the vagus. And that helps their body to heal. The nervous system controls every system in the body. So it made Bodie feel better. Made Bodie's body feel better, huh, Bode? That's a good girl. Bodie walked up here in the shade on her own without me telling her to, and I feel like she was telling me to get out of the sun, and she knew we were about to do some work. So that was really cool for her to bring us here out of the sun, Jessica and I, to be with her. It was just really hot. It's like 102 degrees today. So just scratch your ears. Bode. She's relaxed. It feels good. She was in the fans when we came up, so she was relaxing, huh, Bodie? Stuff. And although I don't ride you, I do love you. And not every horse has to be ridden to be loved. And not every horse has to have a job in order to deserve better. So let's all remember that some horses are just companion and some horses are to be ridden and worked. And just like people, we all have a purpose, and God's created us all to be able to love on animals and the righteous care for the needs of the animals, and the wicked are cruel. So let's all remember to be righteous. Jessica's giving her Bodie a little hose off so she can feel better because it's really hot, and I'm giving her oat treats. She wants more, so she's licking my hand. She's getting a bath. We gotta hose these horses off. I'm like, I agree with Jamie. Gotta hose them off almost every day. They'll get like pig pen and get flies and bugs and mosquitoes all over them.
Every day I'm hosing.
See? Every day.
I know.
Then she runs away.
That's alright, you're good. Just a little bit. That way when that wind blows, it'll feel good.
So we're inside because it's hot outside. I came in to get ice and water and roll up the sleeves. I'm so hot. And in Texas, you just got to do all the things to make yourself cool off. So it came inside, and her Jessica's daughter is feeding their dogs. And you guys, look at how cute this is that she prepares their food every day, and they have these slow feeders. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Okay, so they have a pit bull, and then what is Moose? A pit bull. And so they have 2 pit bulls, and they have a wiener dog. Look at how small her food is compared to them. It's like big dog, little dog. So cute. She prepares them and puts all their vitamins on there. These are slow feeders, so they can't eat too fast and just throw up if they eat too fast. Basically, it controls the way they eat. So they, okay, so ready? Watch how they are waiting for her. Are y'all hungry at all? I mean, like, do you want your food? I mean, are you hungry? Have you been a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good girl, Sophia? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, where's Georgia? Oh, Georgia's already sitting over there waiting on her bowl, like, hello, bring me my food. Hello. And y'all want food too? Okay. All right, let's everybody come. Everybody come. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Everybody's gonna eat. Food time. All right, there's one down. Do y'all have animals at home that y'all have to feed all separate like this? Because they have to like have all their bowls, and look, little mini Georgia. She said, I'm trying to get my food. Uh-oh, and Moose, and Moose.
Wait.
It's okay. JJ, oh, look at the cat. So one of these days I'm gonna adjust a cat on camera for you guys. I think I have a couple of cats that called in. I love adjusting kitty cats. They're so easy. They love getting adjusted too. I don't know why I don't get more calls for cats, but cats really love getting adjusted. JJ, you got leaves all over the house because you're long-haired, sir. Oh, I forgot you haven't heard me speak cat yet. What you doing? So that was 3 minutes, y'all. 3 minutes, and she's done. And she's almost done. And he's licking the bowl.
Once they get to the bottom, they get work for those last little bits.
Bits, yeah.
Because they're down
So
there.
she finished first. Well, maybe because she got fed. Well, no, she had to wolf it down. Ma'am, did you eat all of your food? Oh, yeah? We're not food shaming you. You're okay. It's okay. You want more? You want a second dose, a second helping? Mm-hmm. Georgia. Georgia. Come here, Georgia. Come here, Georgia. Good girl. That's sweet girl. Well, I'm all done for today. The sun is still up. I get to get home early. Sometimes I don't know when jobs may have, horses taken off the schedule, but we adapt and find things to do. So today I got to adjust Jessica and her family and adjust Bodie like you saw. Now, Bodie was as happy as she can be. She's very marish, but she enjoyed Jessica giving her the hose down, and she stood under the fan. She ate some hay out of a hay net, and she seemed quite content. I can't wait to have Bodie with Tim and I at our property. And like I said, we are very close to selling our house to FEMA and having the ability to pick out a house that we want. And we're going to start shopping for that house very soon. So I pray that God gives us a piece of his land that is safe from flooding and has many days that we can have happy days, and we can have animals come to our property to get adjusted. I can't wait to be able to tell you guys when that's done. Well, thanks for staying tuned, and I look forward to making another video. It won't be tomorrow since it's Jessica's birthday. Maybe I'll make a video with Dexter or one of the cats. Maybe a cat adjustment video tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned.